Magandang araw sa inyo lahat, Mapia Kapipita. For today's videos, I will tell you my story of being an emission student from Mindanao State University. But first, I say that my life is not that easy because we started from a poor family, because we can even afford TV and other foods that need to survive. And my mother is doing everything to take care of us, and my father is far away from our place because he has a job that far from us. That's why even now I never forget what my parents do to make us grow healthy and alive. In these generations, I tell that in these generations, I've been graduated to grade 1 to 12. I survived 12 years of studying there, and now I'm a college student. When I compare to the seniors and juniors, it's a different because being a college student is a quite challenges because you need to have knowledge. Also, because there was your dreams come true. You need to take seriously because there was your jobs and dream. You need to be true there and you need to take that. When you finish starting from college, you need, I mean, you can get a job. Also, be a professional people because being a senior in juniors is not that quite hard because in this college now from college is a very challenges because you need to be serious and study hard because this college is a dream because you need to take that seriously because there was your job or I say that your dreams was there. You need to be serious there because when you finish college and you can get a job, also being a professional people, you can get a job because you finish your college. But not that. But if you finish college, you be a professional people. That's what I say. Being an immersion student is not easy because you need to have knowledge, also be a critical thinking. But I don't know. Okay.